If you want to turn your favorite moments into something more special, here's how to create your own memory in the Photos app. Start by opening the Photos app and tap on Select. Then choose the photos and videos you want. After that, tap the share icon at the bottom left corner. And from the options, choose Add to Album and either pick an existing one or create a new album. Now, go to the Albums tab and open the album you just saved your media to. If your album has enough content, you should see a Movie tab. Tap on that, then while it plays, tap the screen to change music, style, and filters. Tap the More button at the top right corner to rename the memory, add or remove clips, or adjust the duration, and that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.